Friends, my name is Omkar Dongre, and today's our video topic is what is JPA in Spring Boot. So, in the Spring Boot, JPA is the Java specification for managing relational data in Java applications. It allows us to access and persist data between Java object classes and relational database. JPA follows object relational mapping, that is the ORM, and it is a set of interface. It also provides a runtime entry manager, API for processing queries and trans, uh, transactions on the object. Against the database, it uses platform independent, object oriented query language, JPQL, Java, that is the in the concept of it covers the three areas. First is the uh, Java persist API and object relational metadata, and the API itself defined in the persistence package. Then JPA is not a framework. It defines a concept that can be implemented by any framework. So, why should we use JPA in the Spring Boot? JPA is a similar. JPA is a simpler, cleaner, and less labor in, intensive than JDBC and SQL and hard-written mapping. JPE is suitable for non-performance oriented complex applications. The main advantage of JPA over JDBC is that in the JPA, data is represented by the object and classes, while in the JDBC data is responded by tables and records. It uses POJO to represent the persistent data that simplifies database performing. There are some or advantages of JPA. Then the features of the JPA is it is powerful, then and a custom object mapping abstraction. Then it supports for the cross store persistence. Thank you. And that is all about the JPA in the Spring Boot.